Hello friends, this is Chief Little Ego here, giving you an update on my adventures. So I am traveling across North America right now, specifically the US. I left from London, Canada about 3 hours ago. I have 31 hours, 3,553 kilometers to go. Ain't nothing. But it's been exciting so far. I've counted about 19 dead deer already on the road. So that's pretty crazy. A lot of deer. And then also I just drove through a tornado warning. So they just had an alert broadcasted telling me to get shelter and that if you're out and about. And yeah, nothing happened. So Little Ego's still soaring here. But, yeah, I'm traveling across, going to Hollywood, California for business and to go meet a mentor of mine to learn some knowledge and education. And I do anything, man, whatever it takes. Sky's the limit. Hunting for greatness, the native ways. Guys, if you want to achieve anything in life, man, you gotta take action. You gotta go do it. And stop living in a box, man. Go live life. Life's a journey, not a race. So, man, start living your life. Start going for your goals. Take action. And you will see. Take it one day at a time. Small wins compound. And you will see life, universe will reward you. But you need to have good habits, and your habits define who you are as a person. So friends, I will keep you posted with my journey. Until then, live life to the fullest. Keep it real.